Hello students, today we are learn about polynomials, chapter 2nd of class 10. In this chapter we will topics will be covered: introduction, geometrical meaning of zeros of polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial, and last is division algorithm for polynomial. Okay, we learn introduction. In class 9 we are also study about polynomial. What is polynomial? And polynomial an algebraic expression in which variables power is whole number is called polynomial. Or example 4x plus 2, here variables power is whole number, so it is polynomial. 6x square plus 5x plus 2, it is also a polynomial because its power is whole number. 2, here 1, it is a polynomial. Next example, root 2x plus 3, this is also a polynomial. Here root 2 is a real number and x is, here power of variable is 1, that is whole number, so it is a polynomial. Or we also know another definition of polynomial, which is an expression in the form of a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a3 x to the power 3 dot 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 an x to the power n, where n is a whole number and n is whole number and a naught a1 a2 a3 a4 an is a constant term, which is, it may be real number also. Example 4x plus 3, that is a polynomial, which are in the form of this. It can be write as an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 a1 x to the power 1 plus a naught x to the power 0. It is also, this term is also written in this form. Okay, example is here 4x plus 3. Here we can write 4x to the power 1 plus 3x to the power 0. This polynomial follow this term. Also we can write as, and we take another example 5x square plus 3. It is also written in the form of, in this form 5x to the square plus 0x plus 3, here 2 1 and x to the power 0. So an expression in the form of a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a3 x to the power 2 dot 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 a n x to the power n is called polynomial, where n is a whole number and a1, a0, a1, a2, a3 dot 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 are constant term or real number. This is the definition of polynomial. Next, we learn about some related term of polynomial, like as degree of polynomial, terms of polynomial, variable of polynomial. Okay, next. Degree of polynomial. We also study in class 9 what is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial is what? Highest power is called degree of polynomial. Okay, highest power is called degree of polynomial. Example, 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Here highest power is 2, so its degree is 2. 5x to the power 3 plus 4 x to the power 4 plus 5. That here degree is 4 because highest power is 4. So that is degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial? Highest power is called degree of polynomial. Next, term of polynomial. Term of polynomial. What is term of polynomial? Then each in algebraic expression, either plus or minus sign, it is separated. Term of polynomial separated by the sign of plus or minus, or into or divide, it is not separated. Example, 4x2 plus 3. Here in this polynomial we have two terms. First term is 4x and second term is 3. They are separated. It can be written as 4 into x plus 3, but here multiplication sign, so it is not separated. There we have only two terms. Next example, x by 3 plus 3. It has also two terms. So it has how many terms? 2 terms. It is also 2 terms. Next, variable of polynomial. Variable of polynomial. What is variable of polynomial? Any polynomial which contains any type of variable is called variable of polynomial. 5x plus 3y plus 4. It has two variables here, x and y. So this is this polynomial is polynomial in two variables. Polynomial in two variables. So again, next example, 5x square plus 3x plus 2. Here we can see that here is a variable and here also a variable. So don't misguide here. Here we cannot say that it has two variables. It has only one variable, that is x. Okay, it is one variable. Okay, next we learn about classification of polynomial. Classification of polynomial. Classification of polynomial. It is classified into three parts. First, with respect to degree. Second, with respect to term. And third is with respect to variable. So polynomial is classified into with three respect. First is with respect to degree, second with respect to term, and third is with respect to variable. Then what is next? We see that with respect to degree. Then a polynomial which has degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Okay, degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example 5x plus 2, that is its example 5x plus 2. Degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Again, next degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Example 5x cube plus 5x plus 2, or 5x cube plus 2, anything, but degree is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. Next, again we can write as it can be also called as polynomial with degree 3, polynomial with degree 4, polynomial with degree 5, or this is biquadratic polynomial. In this, with respect to degree, we can write as with IC as suffix. Degree 1 linear, from degree 2 quadratic IC with suffix cubic IC, biquadratic IC. It can be used again with respect to term. With respect to term, polynomial contain only one term is called monomial. Polynomial contain only one term is called monomial. A polynomial contain two terms is called binomial. Term 3, a polynomial contain three terms is called trinomial. In this also we can see that nomial as suffix, and mono means also mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3, and nomial it can use as suffix. So we can write as in this. With respect to variable, 3x plus a polynomial contain one variable is called a polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable, a polynomial which has contain only one variable. Example 3x square plus 3x plus 2. Here contain only one variable. It's called polynomial in one variable. Second, polynomial in two variable. 5x plus 3y, it contains two variable, so polynomial in two variable. Next, polynomial in 3 variable, it can be right as so on. Again, next some special types of polynomial. This depend on with a degree. A degree with 0 is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Example 4, 5, 6, 7, that is a constant polynomial. Again, in this, it has a type constant polynomial, that is 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. Example only 0. Okay, this is classification of polynomial. So in our first topic has completed, introduction. Next we learn about geometrical meaning of series of polynomial. Thank you.